Natalia, thank you very much for joining our event, and I wanted to ask you to introduce yourself as well.
Okay, it's a big pleasure. My name is Natalia Chaplynska. I'm assistant professor at Hong Kong Chuhai College, and especially in One Belt, One Road Research Institute. We really try to involve more international students nowadays because this is very progressive programs. We have 2 programs, master degree programs in international relations and also in international business management, and we really will be glad to see more international students here.
Perfect. I wanted to ask about this unique quality of your institution that you wanted to highlight on this event.
First of all, the main highlights should be that we are situated in Hong Kong, which is a special administrative region of China, and it is provided a lot of opportunities for international students who would like to study there, because first of all, this is unique platform, this international hub, like international financial hub, international business hub, a lot of innovations developed there, and a lot of talents from all over the world can find their best place for their future career. That's why Hong Kong really valuable in this one. And for sure, Hong Kong Chuhai College tried to provide the best deal, the best options, which will be interesting for students, and especially our program, our institute created such program which deal with Belt and Road Initiative. Belt and Road Initiative nowadays combined almost 150 countries from all over the world. This is Asia, Africa, Europe, even Latin America. And if students study in our programs, they have very nice options to find how to cooperate with other cultures, with other regions, what is specifics to have business in other countries. That's why all graduates which finish these programs, they will have very nice future, because they will be really international. They will have all these knowledges which will be acceptable and unique in the nearest future, because Belt and Road Initiative developed more and more, especially after COVID time when all borders were closed. Nowadays it's received additional breeze, and this Belt and Road, this is future of all these countries who are involved here. And what is also could be interesting for students, that after graduation, students receive at least 1 year work permit. They can find their job in Hong Kong. Usually our graduates receive 2 years work permit, work visa. So 2 years, this is that time which necessary for them to find nice job in Hong Kong, and then in CV they just add, okay, I had very nice position in some international company in Hong Kong, and for sure it will be very valuable for the future.
Yeah, and a great opportunity. That's really sounds amazing. I also wanted to ask you, how would you rate NET24 event and the care during the conference?
Oh, this is just a big pleasure to answer these questions, because I really would like to recommend this conference, this event and this company for all consumers, for all clients, because first of all, starting from the first stage, it was a big pleasure to communicate with all managers. Even if you have any issues, troubles with payment or something like that, one day can answer you even at 11 p.m. or 12 p.m. This is very flexible for them, and this is a big pleasure. And for sure, even after events, I can say that this is high-ranked event which can give a lot of options for everyone who will be involved. And sometimes you even did not expect who can be here. This is not just agents, this is also some kind of universities partners or universities representatives who also would like to find more options and opportunities for future development. This is very nice, and I'm really glad that I was here and to cooperate with NET24 company. That's why just 10 out of 10 for everything what you did. Thank you very much.
Thank you for these nice words, and we are always very happy to help. Thank you, Natalia, once again.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.